Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, if you are someone who is looking for a career opportunities in the field of data analytics, AI, and financial compliance, then you are at right place. Today, I will be sharing you three amazing opportunities from top companies CGI, PhonePe, and KPMG, and breaking down their requirements, responsibilities, and how you can apply. So let's dive right in. So let's discuss it one by one. So first job that I would like to discuss here is from the PhonePe side. The designation for this job role is executive level product risk assessment. So let's come to the job location. So job location is going to be Bangalore for this particular opening, and job responsibilities is mentioned over here. As you can read the job responsibilities from here, like assisting in maintenance of advertisements, assisting in maintenance of summary and dashboards. So maintaining the service now tool etc. So these are all going to be your responsibilities after joining the company. And let's come to the required skill sets that is necessary for this particular role. So you are the one, the candidate must be graduate in any stream, and having 0 to 2 years of experience in operation or similar unit is preferred. They must have a good with MS Office, MS Excel, and MS Word. So the candidate must have good skill sets and good knowledge on this particular mentioned Microsoft tools and technologies. And also they have mentioned that the candidate should be very good with both verbal and written communication skill in English. So that is all about requirements and responsibilities from PhonePe side, and you can read the benefits from the PhonePe side. It provides a very good benefit for its employees. So you can read from here and understand all the terms and conditions. And if you want to apply for this particular role, you will get the link in your bio. I will be mentioning all the link. Here is the option to apply. You can submit your application by filling in it, or you can directly apply with link. So, and about the company, you can read it from here, and the culture as they have mentioned over here. As they have mentioned, it's a 500 million, digital payment company. Like they have more than 500 million registered users as of now. So this is all about the job at PhonePe. Now let's come to the other opening, which is from the CGI. The role name is Associate System Engineer, and this role is for freshers only. So let's discuss the requirements for this particular role. The work location is going to be Bangalore, and they are expecting the candidate should have a basic understanding of computer network OS. Along with that, they are also expecting the one to have exposure to cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, and some exposure to scripting automation tools like Python, Bash, and PowerShell. Also, they have mentioned that the candidate must have a good problem-solving skill with communication skill, and he or she must be a very good team player. Like they must have good collaborative skills to collaborate with their own teams and cross teams as well. So that's it all about the requirement from the CGI side. And let's come to the skills required for this particular role. So they have mentioned it as customer service and support. So basically, the role would be focused more on customers and help desk related role. Like you would be, solving the customer related queries, or related to cloud. Some faults are there, so you would be dealing with all that. So that's it all about CGI. And for applying, you can just click over the I'm interested button, and you will be redirected to the apply link. So that's it about the CGI openings. And the other important hiring is of data analytics at KPMG. So let's read the roles and responsibilities that they have mentioned. The job location, as you can see on your screen, is going to be of Gurgaon, and the technical experience and expertise they have mentioned, as you can see over your screen, is Python, Power BI, Alteryx, and SQL, where you would be having this kind of expertise to be eligible for this particular position. And they have also mentioned some soft skills and experiences that is required for this position. So you are the one who should be high delivery impacting data handling activities. So you should be very good with delivering the business solutions, which is very important thing in data analyst or business analyst related roles. And you must have the process knowledge of business functions, and understanding of data analytics approaches and all this. So you should have all these skill sets like stakeholder relationships as well to be eligible for these particular positions, along with excellent oral and written presentation skills. The qualification for this particular role, as they have mentioned, is the candidate must be a BTech or BCA graduate or any computer science graduate with 1 to 2 years of data analyst experience. So this is not for freshers. They are asking minimum 1 year of experience for this particular position. Certification in data science would be preferred. So if you are the one who is having certification in data science related field, you would be preferred for this particular position. Selection process they have mentioned is that there will be 2 rounds of technical interview followed by a business head. Business head round is basically it's a kind of case study round where you would be dealing with senior managers or project managers who will be asking you some business related problems, or they might give you some case study or business problem you might have to solve it. So this is all about the role at KPMG. So that's it for today. And these are some of the fantastic career opportunities in fintech, IT, and data analytics. And I highly recommend checking them out. If you are looking to kickstart your career in these fields, then apply now. Let me know in the comment section which job excited you the most. And subscribe and hit our bell icon to our channel if you have not subscribed yet. Like, share the video. And until then, keep learning, keep growing.